8 habits that completely changed how I live, and most of them take minutes to start. 1. The morning scroll. The second you grab your phone after waking up, your brain learns to crave non-stop stimulation before it's even awake. That's why focus feels impossible by mid-morning. Your mind never got a quiet start. Give yourself 5 minutes before any app, stretch, make your bed, anything. That gap trains your attention back, and after a while you'll actually look forward to it. 2. Plan tomorrow today. Wake up with no plan and distractions decide your day for you. Before bed, write down one main goal and the few tasks that actually need to happen tomorrow. Your day gets direction before it even starts, instead of you scrambling to figure it out at 8 a.m. 3. Never stop learning. School ends for most people, and so does learning anything new. Read, pick up a skill, study people ahead of you. Even 20 minutes a day adds up to a different mindset over time. The one who keeps learning stays ahead of the one who stays comfortable, even if neither of them notices it happening day to day. 4. Build self-trust. Real confidence comes from promises you actually keep to yourself, quietly. Say you'll do something later and skip it, and you chip away at your own word a little more each time. Finish the workout, sleep on time, follow through. That's how self-respect comes back. One small kept promise at a time, nothing dramatic about it. 5. Hard things first. Most days get wasted dodging the one task that actually matters. Pick it, the one you keep avoiding, and start before checking a single message. It's never as heavy once you're inside it. Everything else feels lighter once the hard part is done, and the rest of your day just moves faster. 6. Work needs boundaries. Your brain ties places to behaviors, whether you mean it to or not. Work, scroll, eat, and sleep in the same spot, and your mind never fully shows up for any of them. Even a small desk in the corner beats running your laptop from the bed, and your focus notices the difference within days. 7. Wake your body. A lot of daytime tiredness comes from a body that never properly switched on after sleep. 10 minutes of walking, stretching, or movement gets blood moving and clears the fog faster than coffee does. Once your body's active, staying mentally lazy gets a lot harder, no matter how unmotivated you felt 5 minutes earlier. 8. Track your life. Everyone thinks they're disciplined until they write down what their days look like. You can't fix a life you've never measured, and just seeing your habits laid out is sometimes enough to change them. No app or willpower hack required. That's the exact reason I built the 21-Day Transformation Journal. It's designed to help you slow down, reflect daily, and build clarity and consistency over 21 days. Link in the description. Subscribe for more.